Forgotten username recovery failed on Curve Fix. If you've tried to recover your username on Curve and it's not working, here's the surprising truth. Curve doesn't actually use usernames for login at all. Instead, your access is tied to your registered email address or phone number. Once you know that, fixing the problem becomes a lot simpler. When your recovery fails, it usually means you're entering the wrong email or number one that's not linked to your Curve account. To fix it, open the Curve app or go to their website. Tap Log In and enter your registered email address. Curve will send you a one-time secure link called a magic link that instantly logs you into your account when clicked. If you don't receive that email, check your spam or promotions folder. Sometimes these messages are filtered automatically. If you still don't see it, try another email address you may have used before. Searching your inbox for Curve can also help you locate past registration or payment emails to confirm the right one. If you've lost access to your registered email, contact Curve support. Provide identifying details like your full name, last 4 digits of your linked card, and transaction history. Their team will verify your identity and help you regain access securely. Most people think a failed username recovery means their account is gone, but in Curve's case, there is no username to recover. It's all based on email authentication for faster, password-free login. So, if your forgotten username recovery failed on Curve, don't worry. The fix is simple. Confirm your registered email, check for the magic link, and you'll be back managing your cards in just a few minutes.